The news at 9 tonight, we're highlighting World Mental Health Day, which dates back to the 1990s as a way to recognize the efforts being made globally to protect and improve mental health. Today, Springfield and Greene County Health is recognizing the day to raise awareness about mental health here in our community. Fox 49's Shadiah Tomlin spoke with the health department today about the resources available to local people. Shadiah?
Bailey, the Springfield Health Department told me today that every 5.5 days, one person dies from suicide. And they just want to let people know that there are resources available like the barrel to be able to use here in our community.
It can happen to anybody. And that's something we're really trying to explain, is get rid of that stigma.
According to Springfield Greene County Health, the rise in depression and anxiety following the impact of COVID-19 has affected the overall mental health and well-being in our community.
Whether that be because of employment or relationship factors or typical stress stuff. Everyone hits a certain spot where they're like, I don't know if I can go on.
In Greene, Christian, and Webster counties, there is an above-average rate of depression and poor mental health, leading to a growing suicide rate and leaving Springfield with a higher suicide rate than the rest of the country.
According to our community health needs assessment that was released in the spring, is 60% higher than in the rest of the country, 20% higher than the rest of the state.
Resources in the community like Burrow Behavioral Health, the 988 Suicide Hotline number, and events like Spring Mo Black Wellness Initiative all strive to help address the growing mental health crisis.
We kind of brought about that conference was to try to address some of those social stigmas, those healthcare disparities. We wanted to acknowledge some of the barriers.
World Mental Health Day is to encourage people to prioritize their mental health and well-being. And Springfield Greene County Health is recognizing this day by making sure people in the community know that they have resources to lean on.
Throughout the last several months, we've made a conscious effort to ensure that we are talking a lot about mental health, looking at actual self-care and things like that that do provide a little bit of relief for an individual, that being very intentional and something that's very meaningful.
The health department wants people to know that if they are in need of help and need to speak with somebody, to use the suicide hotline. That number is 988. Reporting live in Springfield, I'm Shadiah Tomlin. Ozarks First.